Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 1. So I'm going to explain you formula starting large till length. Large formula. This function examine a list of values and pick the value at the user specified position in the list. Very simple formula. Formula details, you just need to mention large, then list of number to examine means your database, and then position to pick from. Formatting required or not, no special formatting is required, and this formula works in every single version of your Excel. Complete details also available in video description box. Please copy and paste for your future reference, but please subscribe this channel. LCM formula. This function calculates the least common multiple, which is the smallest number that can be divided by each of the given numbers. Formula details, LCM number 1 through number 29. And is any formatting required? No formatting is needed. You just need to mention LCM and then select your number and then enter. One more thing, means if this is difficult to understand how this formula works, then we have another videos in which we already explained this formula with multiple examples. So you can check out those videos as well, and details also available in description box, so you can copy and paste, read those details, so might be it will more help you to understand how this formula works. So LCM means least common multiple. Now left formula. This function display a specified number of character from the left hand side of a piece of text. Repeating again, this function display a specified number of characters from the left hand side of piece of text. Formula details, you just need to mention left, original text, and the number of characters required. Might be 3, 4, 5 as per your requirement. Is any formatting required? No guys, no formatting is needed, and this formula works in every single version of your Excel. So LCM means is least common multiple, and left, this function display a specified number of character from the left hand side of a piece of text. So now last formula, length formula. This function counts the number of characters including spaces and numbers in a piece of text. Repeating again, this function counts the number of characters including spaces and numbers in a piece of text. Formula details, very simple. You just need to mention LEN, select your text, and then enter. Formatting required or not? No guys, no formatting is required. You just need to mention length, select your text, and then enter. You will get your exact characters in that text. Exact count means number. So in part 2, we are going to explain you lookup array, lookup vector, and lower. So please check that video as well, and please make sure to subscribe this channel. Copy and paste all the description which is available in all the details which is available in description box for your future reference. And again, thank you so much. Please try this formula in your Excel worksheet, so it will be very easy to understand these formulas. And again, please make sure to subscribe this channel, share your comments, share your feedback, so that we'll improve ourselves and have a great future, have a great Excel knowledge. Thank you so much guys.